Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we are presenting the ZNC-EDM 250 die sinking EDM machine. The ZNC-EDM series of die sinking EDM machines is used in mold and tool making to produce injection molds, or dies with great precision and surface quality. This series is characterized by its high-quality components, which are designed for continuous operation. The models have proven their worth time and time again and offer outstanding performance in every size. The machine frame has been designed according to the latest standards and is based on the manufacturer's many years of experience. The X and Y axes are equipped with low-maintenance accurate ball screws. The main axis is positioned by a precision ball screw with its own lubricant circuit. The desired working parameters for roughing and finishing can be stored in the control system, as can be the desired working depth. User-friendly ZNC control supports the operator in selecting the working parameters. The finely graded working parameters allow high removal rates and finishing in a single operation. Diagnostic information supports the operator. The table is positioned manually. To ensure outstanding availability, the heart of the system is a stable pump from a European manufacturer of the dielectric delivery system. The ZNC-EDM is a die sinking EDM machine offering a wide range of applications and high precision. Here at KNUTH Machine Tools, we also offer larger, more powerful spark erosion machines and a wide range of accessories. Contact your nearest KNUTH representative today to find the best solution for your business.